Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a girl initiated from the letter Y. Let's draw the letter Y first. Then we draw another lines parallel to this line. Alright, let's draw the shoulder here. Extend it a little bit like this. Also the shoulder here and extend it like this. Alright, we're drawing the front of the girl and it extends like this. It extends like this. She's wearing a skirt. We can draw a few lines like this. Let's draw the hands like this. Also you can draw the hands here and extend it like this. Alright, now we put the face or head here. We can draw the hairs. Put little band here and extended here like this. Alright, twice as like this, and the nose and the lips. Let's draw little flower like this along the skirt. Alright, the drawing of the basic figure is complete. Now we do the detailing and put the little shades on the hair. Alright, so this is the border line. We can put little shades here. Alright, another shades is here. Let's put a belt here. This card having shades like this. we can put little shades here and make the hands more visible. Also, let's do some detailing on these hands too. Alright, this is the basic drawing. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.